5. Everything you need to know. The game changer in smartphone industry? For years, rumors have swirled about Tesla entering the smartphone market, and 2025 might finally be the year it happens. The so-called Tesla Model Pi phone is expected to redefine the industry with groundbreaking features that merge Tesla's expertise in AI, renewable energy, and space connectivity. Could this be the device that challenges Apple and Samsung? Let's dive into everything we know so far. Tesla Phone 2025 Features and Specifications. Elon Musk has hinted at a future Tesla phone, and leaks suggest it could come packed with innovations that push the boundaries of mobile technology. 1. Starlink connectivity. One of the biggest rumors is that the Tesla Phone 2025 will be integrated with Starlink, SpaceX's satellite internet service. This could mean seamless global coverage, eliminating the need for traditional carriers. Imagine a smartphone that works perfectly even in remote areas with no cellular towers. Solar charging capabilities. Tesla is known for its advancements in solar energy, and the Tesla phone may feature built-in solar charging panels. This would revolutionize battery life and sustainability, reducing reliance on traditional charging methods. 3. Neuralink integration. While Neuralink, Musk's brain chip company, is still in early development, some speculate that Tesla's phone could have brain-computer interface, BCI, capabilities, allowing users to control their devices with their minds. While this may not be available in 2025, future iterations might see some form of AI-driven biometric controls. 4. Tesla ecosystem compatibility. Expect seamless integration with Tesla vehicles. The phone could function as a key for your Tesla car, provide real-time diagnostics, and even control Tesla's smart summon feature, letting you call your car from a distance. 5. High-end camera and AI features. Leaks suggest a quad-camera setup with AI-powered enhancements, possibly rivaling flagship phones from Apple and Samsung. Tesla's AI expertise could bring new photography features like advanced night mode and object recognition AI. 6. Custom Tesla OS or Android. Tesla could launch its own Tesla OS or modify Android for better AI-driven automation and energy efficiency. Given Musk's past comments on Apple, it's unlikely the phone will run iOS. Tesla Phone 2025 Release date and price. While Tesla hasn't officially announced a release date, industry insiders predict the Tesla phone could launch in late 2025. Some believe it may be unveiled alongside Tesla's other major projects, like the Cybertruck expansion or AI robot updates. As for pricing, estimates suggest it could be between $800 to $1,200, depending on features and storage options. Given Tesla's reputation for premium yet competitive pricing, it may undercut rivals like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Will Tesla's phone disrupt the market? Tesla's entry into the smartphone industry could shake things up significantly. With Starlink integration, solar charging, AI features, and deep Tesla ecosystem compatibility, it could become the most innovative smartphone of the decade. However, challenges remain. Building a phone requires massive supply chain management, software development, and competition with tech giants. Can Tesla deliver? If any company can disrupt the market, it's Tesla. What are your thoughts? Would you buy the Tesla Phone 2025? Let us know in the comments.